everybody walks away with, you know, a little better knowledge about how some of the people in the industry are tackling the tough questions. We're looking at it from a manufacturer side and a dealer side. So I'll introduce the group. This is Bill Koblitz from Mobility Works, Todd Dick from Freedom Harmar, Doug Eaton, BMI, Nick Gutwein, Braun Corporation, Claudia Obertreis from the Ability Center, and Mike Bruno from Bruno Industries. I'm Mark Lohr from Rideaway. The first question is, how are mobility dealers handling increased competition, specifically from the MV1? I mean, we'll just take an easy question and start. Bill, why don't you, how are you handling the MV1 at this point?
As far as the MV1 goes, we are working with, there's a dealer in the Cleveland area that is one of the MV1 licensed dealers, and we've worked with them to get 2 of their vehicles and put them into 2 of our locations so that we can show a comparison between what they have and what's available to mobility users. And we've been very clear with them that we don't expect, you know, maybe 1 out of 20 people that come in and look at all of these might say the MV1 will work for them, and I think it'll actually be less than that. But we've looked at the vehicle very closely. We don't think it fits the market well at all. When it does, it's very rare. It's somebody that wants something really unique. And we strongly believe that they will absolutely fail as a business model. And they won't exist unless they get further and further rounds of our tax dollars. There's no way that they can exist. But $50 million that they have now of tax dollars goes a long way. We've seen their marketing, we've seen their awareness. The good news is, I think that they're getting people to know about our industry. I think people that didn't know wheelchair accessibility was even an issue are hearing about it, and they're getting people interested. And so we're hoping to capture on the interest, and we hope that the tide will raise, that there will be more vehicle sales as a result of what they're doing, and that we'll all benefit from that. We're trying to turn the negative into a positive.
That's a good answer. Claudia?
We've had a training program with our staff to do the comparison so that they fully understand the difference. And certainly, as with Bill, we agree that the traditional mobility model in terms of the relationship selling and the product that we have is superior to the MV1. So it's given our sales staff, I think, some encouragement as well as an opportunity to go back out into the community and talk about what Ability Center does and the quality products that we have.
Thank you. We were faced with some of the large mega dealers in our areas being set up with the MV1, and I encouraged our people to go visit these dealers and become partners with them, because we felt that the amount of advertising dollars and marketing dollars that they were going to send at this or throw at the industry were significant, and they were going to bring in new buyers. We also offered to do any installations of things like power wheelchair tie-downs or hand controls, as well as take the trade-ins if they had them. And we've had, you know, mixed success. I think that in the areas where we were able to develop a good relationship, we've been able to acquire some good used trade-in vehicles. I think in other areas we haven't. I think that the model, I agree with what everybody has said here. I think that that you know, the only way that they're going to sell units is to, in a sense, cherry pick the clients that just need an easy chocolate or vanilla solution. And you know, we are going to have to deal with the product in the market for a while. We're just talking to the group about possibly putting together some sort of political response to see if we can, you know, thwart their growth. From the manufacturer's perspective,